Oh, I love this music and this segment. All right, time now for Better Law. COVID is changing everything, including where you can turn to get help if you've been in an accident or get injured.
Yes. Attorney lawyer Twillie is joining us now to talk about how things really are happening differently in this time of the pandemic. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me. Great to see you both.
All right, so let's just get this out of the way. Your real name is Lawyer, and you're based in Connecticut, not L.A.
That is correct. First name Lawyer, born with that name, by the way.
Yes. What else would
and
you
we
do
are
but a
based
lawyer?
in Connecticut.
Yes. So what are you finding now as people are getting back to what they're doing? Are you finding that you're having a lot more cases and you're back at it with the insurance companies?
Yeah, we're back at it full swing. And I mean, accidents are on the rise. And I think a lot of it has to do with the shift in weather. There's a lot of sun glare. I've noticed it a lot lately, and people aren't necessarily adjusting for that. And so we've seen a lot of accidents recently that have involved sun glare.
Yeah, 5:59 sunsets today for the first time in the 5 o'clock hour, and it's only going to get earlier. So
and then we're going to roll the clocks.
Roll the clocks back. An hour. October 31st.
Yeah, I'm not excited about
November
that.
1st. You think of your clients differently than most other firms, don't you?
We do. Our slogan here is putting people first. And we look at it not as like a fancy sort of tagline, but it's really an energy that we try to inject in each and every one of our cases. Because at the bottom line, is we're a service industry, right? And as a service industry, we need to put our clients first. And so we do that with our clients. We do that in the communities that we serve. And I think the feedback that we've been receiving has been very positive.
And when you actually are negotiating with the insurance company, people may not realize this, but you used to work for an insurance company, so you certainly know the ins and outs of that. But do you think your conversations and the effort you're putting in actually leads to bigger numbers?
Absolutely. I've had cases where when you put people first, you really try and, at least here at LA Law, we try to connect with them. And when we're able to connect with them and better understand their injuries and how the accident has impacted them, we're better able to articulate and make those arguments to the insurance companies. And that has absolutely increased our settlement cases and values on cases. I had one case recently where another lawyer had it. They got fired. They had about a $25,000 offer, and within 90 days, I was able to almost triple that offer, and we settled in the high 60s. So that's because I was able to really connect with the client, understand what his injuries were, and articulate those injuries better to the insurance companies. So that's a direct correlation.
God forbid we should get into a car accident. How long do we wait before we call you?
Don't wait. Don't wait too long. Give us a call as early as possible. Certainly, you need to take care of your health first and your family. But when the dust sort of settles, pick up the phone, give us a call. You can reach us at 844-GET-LA-LAW. Certainly, you can text us as well. So we make ourselves very accessible to clients.
That is the one silver lining. People can have meetings without having to leave their house anymore. Also, you've been really trying to give back. I understand you gave about 250 care packages to the hungry recently.
We did. So, listen, what we do is a two-way street. The communities that we serve, that give us business, we feel like we want to serve as well. So there were about 200 plus seniors that we were able to provide meals for. Rented a U-Haul, loaded it up with boxes of food, and brought it to about 3 different community shelters. And we're very happy about that. And it's great to connect with the community on a face-to-face level.
Cool. So, well, thank you so much, Laura. We appreciate your time. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure speaking with the both of you, truly.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.